Westfield State University and 2025 Season of Music in the Parks. I'm very pleased to introduce our distinguished guest adjudicator for today. Mark Olson is director of the Harvard University Band and Wind Ensemble and conductor of the Sunday Jazz Band. He is an active guest conductor, clinician, and trumpet performer. Dr. Mark Vickers is a music education professor at the Hart School of Music. He is principal flutist with the Connecticut Symphony Orchestra and director of the New York Flute Club Ensemble program in Manhattan. I'm now pleased to welcome to the stage Leicester Middle School Symphonic Band, directed by Christina Ludi.
Yay!
Their warm composition will be Clarinets Packing Up Early by Gary Fagan. Their first adjudicated composition will be Fanfare Americana by Randall Sandridge, and their second adjudicated composition will be Byzantine Dances by Carol Britton Chambers. And again, I'm here to welcome Leicester Middle School Symphonic Band.